So today I have a project where I want to have a short stool, so I bought this normal size stool at Walmart. It's 2 foot tall, and I'm going to cut off these legs and make it 16 inches tall. I don't know if it's possible. These types of stools are made somewhere. I don't know, but at any rate, that's what I decided to do. And I'm going to decide to do it in a different way than normally. Most everybody uses power tools, and I could use a sawzall, and I could use a table saw, or that is to say a hand powered circular saw, but the angle isn't square, and so I thought, oh, what the heck, I'll just use my hand saw. And the thing of it is, one thing I was going to say too is, I used to work in England, and they used hand saws a lot. At that time, I don't know if they still do. It's garbage cans. But so the thing of it is, I got my two lines. I'm going to start on my line here and kind of start in the back, because it's either going this way, so you pull back to start, it doesn't catch. And then as you continue your cut, you want to watch the lines on both sides of the wood. And then one other thing, which I'm a little bit out of practice, but your arm, you want your arm to be a machine, not like a normal person's arm. So it wants to go in and out, straight, like a machine. And one thing the guys in England used to tell me, of course, I don't know if it would work very well with this, because it's not a square, but if it's square, you can see the mirror image in your saw. But this saw is all rusty. But you can watch the image of the wood in the saw and make sure it goes straight across. Takes a little longer this way, but what the heck. See, now by the time it's getting it started, it's difficult for a beginner. You also want to be careful, don't jump. A lot of times I'm careless with hand tools. You want to jump and cut yourself. Don't forget, this thing can cut you, just because it's not power. Don't get in too big of a hurry. If this thing's flapping, you know you're doing something wrong. Basically, what you're doing wrong is you're twisted like this. I'm going to keep just going, completely straight. Here. And I nicked my wood here. I'm not real serious about this job. Probably should put this on the ground. I'm getting better. Riding a bicycle. So I got my short stool. They're pretty good. Just right for doing video chats. I'm going to use my belt sander. Just take this edge off all the way around. Oh, that's loud. Did them all. Nope, there's one. I didn't finish this one.